Dangerous winter driving hazards. Car accidents that occur during bad weather conditions kill more Americans than weather disasters. Winter conditions create a perfect storm for deadly car accidents. Here are the most dangerous winter driving hazards to be aware of. 70% of weather-related crashes occur on wet pavement. Wet road surfaces reduce traction, especially if your tires are worn. On wet roads, braking may take even longer, and the faster you drive, the longer it will take to stop. Each year, 24% of weather-related car crashes occur on snowy, slushy, or icy roads, resulting in over 1,300 deaths and 116,800 injuries. If you live in an area that receives snowfall, switch to winter tires that have deeper tread. It's also advisable to keep a set of tire chains in your vehicle in case you need extra traction. Slippery roads increase the chances of skidding and losing control of the vehicle. A patch of black ice simply makes the road look wet. When your tires come in contact with it, it has almost no grip on the road. When driving on icy roads, reduce speed, keep a safe following distance, and do not use cruise control. Instead, lift your foot off the accelerator, try to keep the steering straight, and pump the brakes gently until the vehicle comes to a stop. When you can't see the road clearly, the chances of crashing into a car, pedestrian, or stationary objects like a pole or tree increases. Before winter arrives, check your vehicle's wiper blades and defroster. Change to winter wiper blades which have a thicker rubber to clear ice and snow more effectively. During winter, keep an ice scraper in the car to clear windows. Never drive with snow on the windshield, outside mirrors, or on top of the car. When you brake, snow on the roof will be thrust forward and onto the windshield. If your brakes are not up to scratch or your battery fails, you can find yourself in a serious accident or stranded on the side of the road. If snow starts to cover your car, oncoming vehicles may not see you. Take your car for a pre-winter tune-up to make sure the following are in good condition. Stay safe on the roads this winter. Following our winter driving safety videos can help prevent collisions on the roads.